Hi everyone, Therese here, and I am just looking for that flip the camera around button. Okay, I found it. Can you tell that I don't go on Instagram Live that much? All right, so I'm here with you with another pendulum tip for the week. And this time, my guest appearance is by this beautiful pendulum right here. This is the Cobalt Winter Flame Cobalt Aura Quartz pendulum. It's a mouthful. And what makes these really unique is that they are freeform pendulums, so every single one comes out different. Now, a lot of the pendulums that I carry are hand carved pendulums, so they have a consistent shape to them. Of course, every stone is unique and different, but these ones, even the shape can vary from pendulum to pendulum. And so this is cobalt aura quartz. It is clear quartz bonded with cobalt, which gives it this really beautiful aura of blues and purples, and sometimes you get golds and even reds can show up in them. And so this is one of my lighter weight pendulums as well. And the lighter weight pendulums swing quickly and fast. So if you're looking for a pendulum that starts moving and can move quickly, these lighter weight pendulums do that. The other pendulums I've been showing you, like the triple healer, for example, which is one of my favorites, because of its weight and its heaviness, it takes a longer time for it to start moving, but once the heavier ones pick up speed and momentum, they really get going and they're a very satisfying feeling. This one is very lightweight, and as you can see, it moves very quickly and very fast. So if you're looking for a pendulum that will answer quickly, these lighter weight ones do the trick. So this week's tip, what I wanted to share with you is how you can use your pendulum to help you pick things that are in alignment with you, with your energetics. And specifically today I'm going to use a couple different supplements I have as examples. I've never tested these supplements with my pendulum, so I'm interested to see what information comes up. So I wanted to show you how to do it. It's actually really simple, and I want to show you what it looks like when you get a positive answer from your pendulum or when you get a no. So we're going to be testing some supplements today with my pendulum, and I'm just going to turn this camera around for you. All right, so hopefully you can see on my camera. I'll bring these a little closer together. So what you need to do this exercise, if you want to determine whether a supplement is energetically aligned to you or not, is of course you're going to need the supplement that you want to check in on and just a little piece of paper. I'm just using a Post-it, and write your name on it. Okay, and you place them about a hand's distance apart, so you've got like an equal space here. And while using the pendulum, we're going to find out if this supplement is in energetic alignment with me, and if it is, the pendulum should start swinging from my name to the supplement, back to my name, and back and forth like this. If this supplement is not in alignment with me, what's going to happen is my pendulum is going to swing up and down in the kind of alleyway we've created between the two, showing no correspondence, no correlation. Okay, so correlation, no correlation. And I'm holding my phone with my hand, so we'll see. So again, I'm getting in pendulum position now. I'm trying to get above it so you can see. So I'm holding my pendulum between my 3 fingers, holding it lightly. And I'm just going to start asking, is this supplement in alignment with me, yes or no? And since the pendulum was moving before, I'm just giving it a second. Oh, see? Yes or no? This is hard to hold my phone and the pendulum, but we're doing it. All right, takes a minute sometimes. All right. That's my answer. I'm sorry my phone's so shaky. I need a tripod for this. So there you go. Thank you. So we got a little bit of movement back and forth. This is much easier to do when you're stabilized and both, your other hand's like stable. It's going to give you better result. But let's check another one just to see. So again, we're checking to see if a certain supplement is in alignment with us or not. So again, I'm grabbing a different supplement. I have my name here represented as my energy. The supplement in question, giving it like enough space. And you can use this for more than just supplements. You could use it for anything that you want to see if it's in agreement with your body or not. Okay, let's stop. Okay, so again, I'm asking from the highest truth, is this supplement in alignment with my body, yes or no? And it's just taking a moment for it to answer me. It's really interesting because when you do get a yes, you feel sort of a magnetic tug between the 2 points. So I'm getting kind of a yes here. It's swinging back and forth between me, but it also is taking a little break and stopping. So intuitively, I already know that this supplement it has healthy benefits for me, but it's not a strong yes. So it's almost giving me like a sometimes answer when you get just a little bit of a... Do you see how it keeps doing that? It goes, instead of being like we, like back and forth like this, it keeps kind of going back and forth, stop, back and forth, stop. So that's sort of a sometimes answer. And I actually grabbed this one because I happen to know from my dietitian that she doesn't want me using that one all the time. It's too intense for me. And my pendulum agrees. So Amber, if you see this, my pendulum agrees with you. I love it. All right, so here's another one that I have, and I might get a similar answer. Got my name, I have the space between. And I'm picking up my pendulum again, checking my placement, and asking from the highest truth, is this supplement in alignment with me, yes or no? And I was really hoping one of these would show a no. Okay, so you see how it's like hanging out in the middle here, but it's not, it's literally, I guess this is sort of a no. It's circling. But it's not really going towards the supplement or my name. If it was a strong no, we would be seeing this. So I have a feeling that, again, this supplement, it has some stuff, like the big name on here, some of the stuff I need, but not some stuff I don't need. So again, it's kind of an iffy answer. Isn't that interesting? So I hope this pendulum tip is helpful for you. Give it a try with your pendulum. All you need is a piece of paper with your name, a supplement you have in question, and your pendulum, and ask if that supplement is in alignment with you. And then comment below. Let me know how it went for you, if you got some aha answers or it was something you already kind of like knew. And if you have something that like I was going to grab one of my husband's multivitamins and try that. If you have something you know is definitely a no, try it so you can test and see your pendulum saying no. Hopefully, it helps you pick something that's more in alignment with you and giving you great health and a great experience. Until next time, stay magical. Bye.